Well, this is week 3 of 50 Weeks of Adventure. We are up at Crystal. I'm hanging out solo today. It dumped 6 inches of snow last night. The storm total's at like 18 inches. Winter is officially back. It's a really good feeling. Yeah, it's snowing right now. The forecast says it's partly sunny later today. Last week, this upload's a little bit late, but last week I decided to not really do a whole lot because the week prior to that, I did a ton of stuff. And yeah, get ready, get my stuff on, and head to the mountain. Alright, so I'm riding Forest Queen right now, where I'm gonna wait for Chair 6 to open up later this morning, hopefully. It's looking really good. The snow is a little tacky, but super fast and pretty loose. So it's gonna be a killer day. Well, I'm at the top of Chair 6, about to drop in for the first run. This looks freaking incredible. So much fun. So just did my first run down Chair 6. It was freaking incredible. Face shots for days, light snow, untracked. There's a really big lift line, so I'm gonna drop over into Powder Bowl right now. And then probably go ski Rex. That was just a big boom. And yeah, it's all time today. It's super fun. headed back over to Chair 6 to do one last run for the day. It's almost noon, and I usually leave around noon, 1 o'clock. So we're gonna hit Middle Firk and then down to Forest Queen, take Forest Queen all the way back up, and hit Chair 6. Hopefully end the day on Tinkerbell. It's a tradition apparently this year that we always end our days on Tinkerbell. Taking Chair 6 right now. There's still some powder to be had. It's not completely skied out. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get to a new section of the mountain that I haven't skied ever before. And just like that, the end of my day. Yeah, today was awesome. It's kind of surprised powder day a little bit. Kind of knew the storm was coming in, but didn't know how much it was gonna actually fall. There was probably a good 8-9 inches on the top. And yeah, so if you want to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel to follow along for Devyn Adventure, that'd be awesome. And I guess I will see you guys out in the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.